Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video I am going to explain about photo reductions. What is the meaning of reductions? You know that. Now the term photo is associated with the reductions. If you don't know the reductions, then first go to the reduction process in chemistry and then concentrate on the photo reductions. When a solution of benzophenone in isopropyl alcohol is irradiated with a light of 345 nanometer, it produces a benzphenacol. During these photochemical reactions, isopropyl alcohol does not absorb light, but benzophenone undergoes an N to pi star transitions. You see, this is benzophenone, this is isopropyl alcohol. N to pi star transition in the presence of light. Benzophenacol will form an acetone. So, in benzophenone, an initial light absorb is followed by the rapid intersystem crossing from singlet to triplet. This is benzophenone. Taking HNO, singlet and intersystem crossing triplet. So N to pi star triplet state of carbonyl group of the benzophenone is capable of abstracting the alpha hydrogens of isopropyl alcohol, thus giving rise to produce two radicals A and B. Now N to pi star triplet state of the carbonyl group of benzophenone is capable of abstracting the alpha hydrogens of isopropyl alcohol, thus giving rise to product two radicals N. You see, triplet, isopropyl alcohol, two radicals A and B. The combination of two units of A leads to form benzphenacol. You see, these undergo combinations and forming benzphenacol. So, since the quantum yield for the formations of benzphenacol is 1, the second unit of A does not form as a result of absorptions of fresh quantum of light. However, it is generated by the reactions between benzophenone and unit B. That is, this questions again benzophenone, it gave the acetone and this radical. Similarly, benzphenacol is formed during the reactions between benzophenone and benzhydrol in benzene. So, benzophenone, benzhydrol give benzphenacol. So, mechanism, this is singlet, this is triplet intersystem crossing. Now this triplet, this gave this radical, two radical, these two radical combined together give benzphenacol. So Michelin ketone does not undergo photoreduction in isopropyl alcohol. In Michelin ketones, the lone pair of electrons situated on nitrogen atom is conjugated with the aromatic ring, which lowers the energy required for the pi to pi star transition in the molecule. Thus, pi to pi star transition becomes the lowest triplet of the system and occurs more rapidly than the N to pi star transition. Thus, relative energy of N to pi star and pi star transitions are shown. You see here, this is N to pi star transition in this molecule is higher, but you see it is lower. So, N to pi star transition, this is the pi to pi star transition. So, alpha keto ester undergo photoreduction to yield phenacol. You see, alpha keto ester